Welcome to the channel. You reset your Samsung A16, and now you're panicking because the phone is asking for the previously used account to continue the setup. Of course, you don't remember the account, and the methods you found online are not working. If that's your situation, then you came to the right channel. I'll show you a new way to bypass the FRP lock on the Samsung A16. This method is completely different from the others, and works much better. The problem is that Samsung constantly monitors FRP bypass methods. As soon as they find a loophole, they release a new update and block it. That's why I'm not going to show one specific method right now, because by the time you watch this video it may already be patched, and you could waste your time. Instead, I recommend going to the DeepSeek website and typing Samsung A16 FRP, wie bei Android 15, and pay attention, not ChatGPT, but specifically DeepSeek. ChatGPT is restricted from talking about these methods, but DeepSeek can show you several possible options. Choose the method that looks best for you, and the service will guide you through the whole process step by step. Guide. If you get errors or don't understand something, just ask questions, send screenshots, and you'll quickly get answers about what to do next.